Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Again, this is not financial advice, alright? So do this now. The Ethereum Dencun, the upgrade that these guys are gonna do, you'll see they'll make a lot of money because a lot of money from Bitcoin will shift to Ethereum. Remember what I'm saying, huge amount of money will exit from Bitcoin because the ETF it's already deflated, and they will jump into Ethereum. So do this now, okay? Do this and double your money in less than 5 weeks. You double your money in less than 5 weeks, okay? So do this, go on YouTube and follow these instructions. All right, come on and see this video. Double your money. All right, double your money. We go here, hedge. Okay, have a look. You will find my video right here, artificial intelligence, how to double your money. So you go in here and see my last video, the second last, right? Not this one. All right, how to double your money. You have full instructions.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Alright, you have full instructions. You will see on what to press, what to do, and how to double, but we have a chance to triple, quadruple, or just or even more than that, because I'm expecting Ethereum to go to $7,000 by July. So do this, do not be late. Do this now. Again, huge money will shift from Bitcoin to Ethereum. All right, follow all the hype, follow all this craziness, this euphoria. Just follow it, okay? So have a good one and have a profitable week.